Hi everybody, it's Alan from Automate Your Life, and we're going to show you how to set up the Switchbot Curtain remote. Now the remote from Switchbot can be used for many things with the Switchbot line of items, but we're going to show you how to open up your curtains. The first thing you're going to need to do is to get the Switchbot app going. You're going to open it up, and click the add button at the top. It should show the Switchbot remote up the top, and so what you're going to need to do is you're going to hold the two buttons of the remote simultaneously. So you're going to have to get a little bit of a grip there and press the two buttons at the same time. You should hear a little bit of a beep and the LED light blinking a couple of times. Next thing you're going to do is press next. And once you get there, you're going to have to either just call it remote or call it whatever you like. Maybe you have a number of remotes in your home for other Switchbot items or other items in your home. I'm going to use it for my Switchbot curtains, so I'm going to say family room curtain there. Maybe you have a number of remotes in your home. But in the case that you don't, and this is just for your Switchbot curtain, you can change it to the family room curtain, click next, and then you're connected, and then you can go in the settings, and you'll notice that it'll give you the option to either say open or close, whatever percentage you want. For me, I have it open for 100% and close for 100% for either one of the two buttons. Hope you've enjoyed that video. Please watch the Switchbot curtain setup.